Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to access prompt categories in queries. This is part of our series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, please feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. So as a quick example, I'm going to start in database and then prompts. I want to pull up a prompt list here that I know has a category on it in the TPG sandbox. You may remember our video a few months ago about the value of using prompt categories, and this video should make them even easier. In order to access this information in a query, we're going to start in a person base and then start a subquery filter. From there, we are going to join to field values, and then we are going to do a second join from field values to lookup prompt. Once there, categories is an available filter under the lookup prompt table. Here, I can see all my categories and make my selection. One important thing to note with current functionality is that if two categories have the exact same name, even if they are associated with different prompt lists and fields, selecting one will automatically mean selecting the second one. And that may be helpful to know while you are working on naming conventions. We can pull the field directly as an export and confirm that it is a current term. In order to pull this category as an export, it is a little easier. We're going to start with a copy of the field and simply change the export value from the default of blank to category. Now, when we preview the query, we'll see the prompt value as well as the category. I hope that this helps you love prompt categories as much as I do. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.